Hello friends, my name is Michael. You're on a TradingView channel. We talk so much and so often about serious crypto projects that I decided to talk about meme coins today. So the topic of this video of the year-end summary of Pepe. Here I will summarize the value of dynamics of the Pepe meme coin over the past year. I will explain why it has become popular, what trend it is currently following, and what scenarios for further development I see for this coin. Why is this important? The meme coin market is rapidly growing, and it seems that meme coins have firmly established their niche in the industry. Some people view such coins as a learning tool in the world of cryptocurrencies and trading, while others are looking for earning opportunities. Pepe is a vivid example of a meme coin that has become popular in a short period of time. Therefore, studying the success story of Pepe is a very important step in understanding how the meme coin market and even the crypto market as a whole work. Be sure to watch this video to the end. I will share with you my forecast on the prospects of the coin. Write in the comments what you think is worth investing in Pepe and other meme coins, or is it better to stick with serious and time-tested projects? In 2023, a new meme coin Pepe was introduced. The hype around it was quite extensive, but now a whole year has passed. What happened to the frog? Is there still demand for it? And how much is it worth in 2024? Let's start with the fact that by mid-July 2024, Pepe is the 22nd cryptocurrency by market capitalization, with $5.2 billion aboard. If we judge solely based on the meme coin sector, it ranks third after Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, with overall ranking of 9th and 13th in cryptocurrency market respectively. Therefore, it is evident that there is still demand for Pepe. It turned out that the frog is not a one-day scam project. However, we cannot say that its price changed linearly. After its listing on the Binance exchange in May 2023, Pepe plummeted by 86% by September. Some critics had already written off the frog, but the situation changed. Over the next 6 months, by mid-March 2024, Pepe grew by over 1,700%. This was followed by a correction of 63%, a new historical high in May 2024, and another 55% correction. Overall, the trend for Pepe is upward. However, corrections for the coin are quite sensitive. What is the reason for the project's popularity? The first reason is the symbolism embedded in the meme frog. It is no secret that Pepe is attributed to Groy Perry's internet trolls, although the interpretations of the drone frog on the internet are numerous. Since we're discussing Pepe solely in the context of cryptocurrency, its price dynamics, trading, and investment, I will briefly mention only essentials about this meme. At different times, the frog was associated with various political groups. It was posted by supporters of Donald Trump, and it was popular on internet platforms like 4chan. Moreover, as a meme, it gained fame long before another well-known meme that also evolved into cryptocurrency, Doge. Write in the comments, guys, what is your favorite meme coin? The second reason for Pepe's success is the demand from major players. For example, on July 9th, one user withdrew 9 trillion Pepe from the Bybit exchange to an unknown wallet. In dollars, the amount was $83.2 million. Clearly, not every commoner, even in the US, Switzerland, or the UAE, has such huge amounts of money. The third reason is the demand from the Australian public. According to Kraken exchange data, 2.5% of their clients from that continent are Pepe holders. This is almost twice as much as users from other countries, who on average account for 1.5%. The fourth reason is the support from well-known crypto enthusiasts. It is well known that Elon Musk is a supporter of Dogecoin, and after his statements on X, formerly Twitter, the price of Dogecoin can both rise and fall. Pepe has patrons of his own. For example, the investment company Van Eck, the same one that has already participated in launching a spot Bitcoin ETF and has applied for a similar product for Ethereum. So at the end of June, this organization launched a meme on X with various animals sitting at a table. And in the center, standing on the table, was Pepe. The cryptocurrency price soared by more than 11% after this. Press like if you try to follow media activity around coins in your portfolio. The fifth reason is that Pepe is available for trading on all major centralized exchanges. The coin can be purchased on Binance, Kraken, Bitstamp, OKX, KuCoin, and others. Thus, you won't have any problems purchasing even if access to a particular platform is blocked or restricted in your jurisdiction. The sixth reason is the limited supply. All of the total number of Pepe tokens is huge. 420 trillion tokens. This is the maximum limit. And if so, the price shouldn't artificially decrease. The seventh reason is the accessibility and simplicity to understand. This generally applies not only to Pepe but also to most meme coins. Let's be honest, Bitcoin is not simple. Mining, equipment for it, huge financial costs, all of these are integral components of digital gold. Ethereum and similar coins like Solana, Cardano, and other also imply that you have to understand staking and its specifics. Guys, write in the comments, do you really think meme coins help popularize cryptocurrency and make them more accessible for mass use? The eighth reason is that Pepe is an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain. The fact also plays its favor. Crypto enthusiasts are well aware of Buterin's brainchild. Thus, although the meme coin may not look like a serious project, retrospectively, many factors spoke in favor of its growth. What prospects do I see for its price dynamics in the future? For starters, as I mentioned earlier, the trend currently appears to be upward, although episodically we encounter serious correction. This is explained quite simply. The entire cryptocurrency market, and especially meme coins, are subject to high volatility. The resistance level, which is also the historical maximum now, is this level. The bull run was formed back in February-March 2024. Since the beginning of March, the lowest price drop was recorded in April. At that time, the price was this amount. The difference is huge, but I repeat, volatility in meme coins at such distances is very high. Overall, I maintain a moderately positive forecast for this coin. I would consider entry points only during correction periods, build my trading based on support and resistance levels, and would not consider holding meme coins in the long run. But as a speculative instrument, it is not a bad choice based on the results of the past year. So guys, I really enjoyed you really like this video. If so, like, comment, and share this video. And see you next time, guys. Michael was you. You were on TradingView channel, and happy investing.